Welcome to another Quantubly video. This one's on Google search, and here we're going to show you some tricks you can do to actually find the content of servers more effectively. So you could type in Google, like I've done here, someone's hard drive content. You get 10 million results, but you don't actually get someone's hard drive content. You get pages that talk about people's hard drives content. To actually understand if people are sharing stuff and find it, there's an interesting or useful command here called in URL. So in URL, there's some examples pop up. You can actually look for things. So you can look for FTTP, and FTTP what means that if you actually look in the search bar, there's a URL in the search bar, and that URL represents a domain name. And so what I'm saying is, if in my search criteria you return domain names could be Google or Microsoft or news sites or whatever, but if you return the domain name and there's an FTP : / at the start of it, then show me that as a result. And that's interesting because FTP are FTP servers. So if you do ftp.index.html, that should show you all the FTP servers Google can find that have an index.html file, as well as documents about HTML files. 350 results, and here a few numbers down, index of index HTML on netbsd.org. Nothing particularly exciting about that. What you could do, then change index to, let's say, personal, something that says personal, so far that says personal, and a file type, which I've spoken about before in my Google search videos. You could do a file type of text. So file types of text that were personal in, and here 500,000 results, and see what's down here. Again, nothing too specific, something from Cafe, Adobe, right. Now, Google has loads and loads of returns. If I let's go sort of a fair way down the stack, you might find something a bit more interesting. So here we go, FTP, Apple, Azimuth.net, pub, Apple site index, there's a site index file there. Personal conferencing, PC Power 101, from Education Authority. So there are things, and that's how you start looking at people's hard drives. So you could do things like password, and username, and file type text, and hopefully nothing will come up, but some things do. Most things will be prompt for password and the username, but not always. Not many returns there. It says 94,000. Yeah, just go through this, and that's a good Google command to start using. So in URL FTP, you could change that to telnet, maybe to www. If you know the specific pre-domains like www1 or www2, you could use those. That's a good way to look at it, but looking for things. But FTP is the most common, so have a play around with that. Like always, drop me an email if you've got any particular questions, and I can help you search. Another good thing to use for this sort of thing is Google Hacking, a great book by Johnny Long. There is a link to it on the Quantubly website on the right hand side in the favourite links to the latest Google Hacking database. Okay, any questions, drop us a line and we'll do our best to answer. Thank you very much. Quantubly video. See you later.